Welcome to Pindar Poetry. We hope you learned something new.
You open Canva and create a new design using the correct ad size, 16, 9 for YouTube, 1 for feeds, or 9, 16 for stories. Next, upload your assets, logos, 5-10 product photos, and any short video clips you'll use. Once done, draft a tight script, a 3-5 second hook, one sentence that explains the value, and a clear CTA such as shop now or get 20% off. Make sure brand colors and a readable font are ready to apply. You now assemble scenes in chronological order: hook, feature demo, social proof, and call to action. For each, place imagery on the canvas, add bold text overlays, and set scene durations. Aim for 3-7 seconds each so pacing stays brisk. Then apply subtle motion presets, pan, scale, or slide, and choose smooth transitions. These guide the eye without distracting. Once visuals feel aligned, add an audio track and sync cuts to beats. Make sure text remains readable for at least 1-5 seconds after each change. You finish by reviewing the full ad start to finish. Confirm logo placement, color consistency, and that the CTA appears on screen long enough. Export using MP4 with H.264 at 1080p for most platforms or GIF for short loops, and choose the correct frame rate, usually 30 FPS. If playback looks off, trim misplaced audio, simplify or remove complex animations, and re-render. If colors shift, toggle color profile or export a test clip. Make one final check on a phone and desktop before publishing.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.